All right, we're going to do one more problem here relating to heat, energy, and temperature changes for you guys to watch before we have class on Wednesday. So we're going to do the Skill Builder exercise 3.10, and it says that you have a copper penny from 1979 in the snow. You pick it up. How much heat does the penny absorb as it warms from the temperature of the snow from -5 degrees to the temperature of your body, 37.0 degrees Celsius? Assume the penny is pure copper and has a mass of 3.10 grams. You can find the heat capacity right here on the table. Okay. All right, so what do we know? Well, we know that we don't know heat. Okay, so that's our question mark. All right, we know our mass. That is 3.10 grams. We know our heat capacity is 0.385 joules per gram times degrees Celsius. And our delta T, our temperature change, is 37.0, and the difference between 37.0 and -5, I'm going to write that like this. I'm going to erase that. All right, try that this way, might be a little more clear. -5.0 plus 37.0. Okay, so if you guys were to put that into your calculator, you end up with equals 32.0 degree Celsius. Okay, so remember with addition and subtraction, you're going to go by places past the decimal. They each go 2 places past the decimal, so our answer has to go 2 places past the decimal. All right, now this is our equation. This is our heat equation. So we're just going to plug everything in. All right, so I'm going to start with our heat. That's what we're looking for. And next is our mass. So 3.10 grams. All right, and times our heat capacity. All right, which is 0.385 joules, and then that's per gram times degrees Celsius, so these guys are on the bottom. All right, times our change in temperature, which is 32.0 degrees Celsius. All right, so now we're just going to look at our units. We have grams on the top here, which cancel with grams on the bottom here. That's great. We have Celsius on the bottom, Celsius on the top, Celsius on the top. That's great. We are left with joules, which is our unit for heat. So now we just put this in our calculator. You guys can try it also. I'm putting it in mine right now. All right, so what pops out of my calculator is 38.192. Okay, but I know I can only have 3 significant figures. Okay, all of my measurements, that matches my measurements. So that would be 38.2 joules. Okay. All right, try some problems on your own, and good luck.